All right, once in a lifetime. Ford Focus 2005 through 2007. Yeah, I took the dash out. Yeah, that's going to be fun to explain later. Selector, vent selector. You can also do it with this thingy here on the knob. Okay, that's defrost. And that's vent. That's the main vent that's open. Defrost is up there. And then heater controls, you can't see them. Yep, that's what happens to them. They explode. And you can get these cables. Don't let them lie to you. You just have to go to the salvage yard and get them when the car comes in fresh. Because that's how I got them.